Hello students, today we are going to deal with another writing skill, and that is letter writing. In previous video we have covered all the important points, formats and example of message writing. In this video we will understand how to write a letter, and we will also learn that how to write a informal letter. A letter writing is an written form of communication that is addressed to a specific person or a specific organization. Letter writing is an older mean of communication. When there was no availability of phone and internet, this letter writing was used. It is one of the easiest and non-expensive mean of communication. The relationship between the writer and the receiver determines the way a letter is written. It is also an effective mean of communication. Now look the type of the letter. There are two types of letter, formal and informal. Now formal letter includes letter to editor, official letter, letter to an organization and application to an institute or principal. Informal letter includes letter to parents, letter to relative, letter to friends. Now what is the basic difference between formal letter and informal letter? As the name suggests, formal letter, there should be very clear and cut to point language. In this there is a letter to editor, official letter, letter to organization and application as well. In informal letter, language can be informal, that means easy and communicative language you can use in informal letter. Now we are going to discuss about informal letter in this video. Now see what is the format of informal letter. As we know that informal letters are hardly used in day-to-day life because this is nowadays obsolete way of communication because of all the mass media. We have WhatsApp, we have Facebook, we have email, and just because of this we does not use this mean of communication. We have phone communication also. That's why this form is now obsolete and it's not used nowadays. But we have to know how to write an informal letter because this is an important point according to the exam. Now first of all, there must be a heading which includes sender's address and date. Then after, salutation, in which you are going to write my dear, and after that name, dear, then after name, and you can write only name as well. In third point, there must be a body of the letter, and what few points you have to remember while writing an informal letter. There should not be a grammatical mistake. Grammatically letter should be correct. Then after first person I should be used. Actually this is the point related to the informal letter, but you can use I while writing an informal letter. Okay, do not use very long sentences. Very short sentence you have to use, very simple language you have to use. Avoid using long sentences. Then after, never use bitter word in your language. The language of the letter should be soothing and relaxing, and very mild language should be used while writing a letter. Then after, ending, in which you are going to write your sincerely, your affectionately, your loving. You can also write your loving. For better understanding, let's move to an example. Now this is a sample question in which there is a few points you have to remember while it comes in your exam. First of all, Arun and Aruna. You are Arun or Aruna of 86 Green Park, New Delhi. You want to buy a bicycle as your school is quite far away from your home, write a letter requesting your father to send you money for the same. Now, in this question, you can see that the name of the writer is written here, is given here, and the address which you are going to use on the uppermost part of the letter, the beginning of the letter must be from this address. Then after, to whom you are going to write, it is here, you are going to write to your father. Then this is the main content of the letter, that you want to purchase a bicycle, okay. And after because you want to purchase a bicycle, you will give an appropriate reason for purchasing it. Now for that understanding, let's look to the sample answer. Now here, as I said before, 86 Green Park, New Delhi. Address is written here. Then after, you will mention the date here, okay. Then after, dear father, or you can write my dear father, or you can write father as well. Now here, the body of the letter starts. This is the body of the letter. Our school has been shifted to a new building. The new building is about 5 kilometers away from the town. As yet, there is no bus service to the school. I have to walk all the way, and this tires me quite a lot. Also, I get late for school. The class teacher gets angry with me, so I think I should have a bicycle. Now, this is the reason provided by the writer. And who is writer here? Arun. Okay? And it would cost me around 3000 rupees. Kindly send me the money as soon as possible. I promise to be careful while writing it. Please fulfill this little desire. Your loving son, Arun. Now here, this is the ending of the letter. As I said before, your loving son, and after that your name. This is the format of letter. And remember one thing, you should remember one thing, all the points should be on the left hand side. You will not use the middle portion, not the right portion. Every point, that heading should be on the left hand side, and date is also on the left hand side. This is the salutation, and this is body of the letter, and this is the ending. Now you understand the division of this letter. First of all, till here, this is the heading, this is salutation, this is body of the letter, and at the end, this is the ending, okay. Now here, the name of the writer should be written here, who is getting the letter should be written, and this is the all content here. Hope you all understand. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Take care and keep learning. Thank you.